how to fix Valorant this error. It's easy. First, if you want to fix it, just type here Windows and go to Windows Update Settings, and then click check for updates, and make sure to install all the updates that you can find here. And now let's move to the next step. After that, go to Services, and now scroll down until you find here VGC. Right click on VGC and click Properties, and here select Automatic, and then click Apply and OK, and then just right click on Valorant and click Properties and go to Compatibility, change settings for all users, and you will find it like that. All you need to do, just enable those two options, disable full screen optimization, and then run this program as an administrator, and then enable the first option, make it Windows 8, and apply and OK, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed. Just restart your PC and try again, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.